On top inside Edo today, 6 startups don get 5 million naira grant to fit grow their business for Edo. Federal government don give 6 startups for Edo 5 million naira through National Social Investment Program wey be NSIP, and these startups bin begin for South-South Innovation Hub. Minister of State for Budget and National Planning, Prince Clem Agba, na im present dis cheques give dem, as e tell dem say the business wey the startups dey do make sense as dem go show am for state and international level. Permanent Secretary for the ministry, Ernest Umakhihe, na im come represent Clem Agba, and e tok say government ready well to provide money for startups dem to fit grow their business and go fit employ people. He say him happy for wetin the startups dem don dey do. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki tok say youth empowerment na im dey comot katakata for the country, as e salute the innovation wey the startups dem do. He tok say state government ready well to collaborate with people and group, even NGOs sef, to take help youth dem for Edo, and na Commissioner for Youth, Honourable Damian Lawani, na im come represent Governor Godwin Obaseki for dis ogbonge event. NSIP focal person for Edo, Yuwa Aladeshelu, tok say the South-South Innovation Hub na better place for youths dem to fit grow their ideas wey dem get for business. She tok say the money so go tanda their business matter well, as e go employ plenty people and grow their market. Samuel Oluwatobi Gege, wey be the managing director for Meridel Nigeria Limited, wey be partner for innovation program, tok say na 17 startups dem don first give 250,000 naira to start their business for the first phase of the program. He tok say 6 for inside the 17 wey first collect 250,000 naira, na im come collect 5 million for second phase to fit help deliver their business. Dem give 247 medics, open employment, tech hive and numbers 1 million naira each, and dem give study hub and Sycom Pro 500,000 naira each. Na here we see the ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as 6 startups for Edo State don get 5 million naira grant to fit grow their business well. Make una know say dis ogbonge update wey dey waka come meet una so na T-Live Media na im carry am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge tori, make una log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.